Most of us start investing with a simple goal: to make money. We want to see our savings grow, to feel secure about the future, and maybe even to achieve a few dreams along the way. But as we begin this journey, it's easy to focus only on the numbers, thinking that a bigger net worth is the only thing that matters. We buy stocks, maybe an index fund, and hope for the best. Sometimes, we celebrate a win or worry about a loss, but often, we don't look much deeper than the surface. This approach is like driving by only looking at the speedometer. You might know how fast you're going, but you have no idea where you're headed, what obstacles are ahead, or if you're even on the right road. Tracking your investments is about taking control of the steering wheel. It's about understanding the full picture, not just a single number. Understanding your wealth isn't about bragging rights, it's about clarity. It's about knowing what you own, what you owe, and how your money is working for you. Without clarity, you're making decisions in the dark. You might be missing opportunities or taking risks you don't even realize. True financial control begins when you stop guessing and start tracking. When you know your numbers, you can make smarter choices and adjust your strategy as life changes. Think of it like a business. No CEO would run a company without financial data. They need to see the whole picture to make informed decisions and steer the company toward success. Your personal finances are no different. You are the CEO of your own wealth. You're responsible for making the choices that shape your financial future. By tracking your portfolio, you create your own financial report. This report isn't just a snapshot, it's a tool that helps you plan, adapt, and grow. This report tells you the story of your money, where it came from, where it is now, and where it's headed. It reveals patterns, highlights progress, and uncovers areas for improvement. Tracking investments isn't just for Wall Street pros, it's for anyone serious about their financial future. Whether you're just starting out or have been investing for years, this habit can change your relationship with money. The goal is to transform from a passive saver into a proactive investor. It's about taking ownership and making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's about building a system that works for you, giving you confidence to navigate market ups and downs. With a clear system, you can stay calm even when markets get turbulent. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. It's about building wealth intentionally, not accidentally. When you track, plan, and act with purpose, your net worth becomes more than just a number. It becomes a reflection of your journey, your discipline, and your vision for the future. What is this magical investment dashboard? It's your financial command center. Instead of logging into multiple accounts, a dashboard consolidates everything. It gives you a real-time snapshot of your entire net worth. Core components include asset allocation, performance tracking, and holdings details. Asset allocation shows how your money is divided across investments. Performance tracking shows how your investments are doing over time. Holdings details list everything you own, from stocks to index funds. Income and dividend tracking show passive income generation. Fee analysis identifies high-cost investments, allowing you to switch to lower-cost alternatives. Combining these components gives you a complete view of your financial health. It's a clear, actionable picture. Building your own investment dashboard is about organizing information. Start with a spreadsheet like Google Sheets or Excel. List all your accounts and investments. Use columns for ticker symbol, asset name, asset class, quantity, and average cost per share. Make it dynamic with the Google Finance function for current prices. Create a total value column by multiplying quantity by current price. Add summaries and charts to visualize your data. Use the sum function for total values and create charts for asset allocation. Your homemade dashboard gives you control and understanding of every dollar you own. If building a spreadsheet feels like too much work, you're not alone. Managing investments can quickly become overwhelming, especially as your portfolio grows or diversifies. Thankfully, there are a variety of digital tools designed to make tracking your investments much easier and more efficient. Free tools are a fantastic starting point for beginners or anyone who wants a straightforward overview of their finances. They're easy to set up, user-friendly, and often provide just enough information to help you stay organized without feeling bogged down by complexity. Personal Capital, now known as Empower Personal Dashboard, is a popular choice. It lets you link all your financial accounts in one place, giving you a clear, consolidated view of your investments, bank accounts, and even retirement funds. Mint is another free option that combines investment tracking with powerful budgeting tools, making it easy to monitor your spending and investments side by side. If you're investing in cryptocurrencies, platforms like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap are essential for tracking real-time prices, market trends, and your crypto portfolio's performance. Paid tools, on the other hand, are designed for more serious investors who want deeper analytics, advanced reporting, and features like tax optimization or custom performance metrics. Ticker Terminal stands out by offering institutional-grade data and in-depth stock analysis, perfect for those who want to dig into the details and make data-driven decisions. ShareSite is another excellent paid tool, especially if you need robust performance tracking and comprehensive tax reporting to simplify your end-of-year filings. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your personal needs and goals. If you're just starting out, try a free tool like Empower to get comfortable with tracking. As your portfolio grows in size and complexity, you might find that advanced features offered by paid services become more valuable and worth the investment. Don't get paralyzed by the sheer number of options out there. The most important step is to pick a tool and get started on your investment journey. The key is to begin tracking and understanding your investments, so you can make informed decisions and watch your wealth grow over time. As your needs evolve, don't hesitate to upgrade to tools that match your growing portfolio's complexity and help you reach your financial goals. Meet Alex, a software developer saving for a house and retirement. Alex's investments were scattered across multiple accounts. Using Empower Personal Dashboard, Alex linked all accounts in 30 minutes. The dashboard revealed a 75% concentration in tech stocks. This was too risky for Alex's comfort. The fee analyzer flagged a high-cost fund in an old 401k. Alex rolled it over to a low-cost IRA. Alex diversified by directing new contributions into international funds. The dashboard made it easy to model changes and see effects. Now, Alex spends 15 minutes monthly reviewing the dashboard. It provides peace of mind and confidence in the investment strategy. Alex is aligned with long-term goals of buying a house and retiring comfortably. Emotion is a big enemy of successful investing. When markets swing wildly, it's easy to let panic or excitement take over, clouding your judgment and leading to costly mistakes. Many investors react impulsively, buying high out of greed or selling low out of fear, which can sabotage long-term growth. Fear and greed lead to poor decisions. These emotions can push you to chase trends or abandon your plan at the worst possible moments, making it hard to stay disciplined. An investment dashboard defends against these instincts by providing a clear, objective view of your portfolio and the market. It replaces gut feelings with data, helping you make decisions based on facts, not fleeting emotions. When markets dip, your dashboard provides historical context, showing how similar downturns have played out in the past and how markets have recovered over time. It shows that downturns are normal and markets recover, reminding you to stay patient and avoid rash decisions. Asset allocation shows diversification, providing stability even when some investments are underperforming. This balance helps cushion your portfolio from extreme swings. Your dashboard helps you stick to your strategy, keeping you focused on your long-term goals rather than short-term noise. It tells you when to rebalance, not based on emotion but data, ensuring your investments stay aligned with your plan. After a rally, it shows if your allocation has drifted, so you can make adjustments before risk builds up. After a crash, it signals buying opportunities, helping you spot value when others are fearful. Tracking investments turns you from a gambler into a strategist, giving you the confidence to act with purpose. Strategists have a plan and use data to execute it, making decisions with discipline and clarity. You think in decades, not days, focusing on building wealth over time rather than chasing quick wins. A clear, data-driven view of your wealth shifts your mindset, helping you see the bigger picture and make smarter choices. In the end, this is the most valuable benefit of having a dashboard. It empowers you to invest with confidence, discipline, and peace of mind. An investment dashboard is powerful, but just one piece of the puzzle. True clarity comes when you connect investment tracking to budgeting and forecasting. Your budget controls cash flow. Your dashboard tracks wealth growth. Financial forecasting projects your financial future. When these systems work together, you achieve life-changing control. Budgeting determines how much you can invest. Successful budgeting fuels investments. Watching investments grow motivates budgeting. Financial forecasting uses data to project future wealth. It's about creating a roadmap, not predicting the future. Make conscious trade-offs between present lifestyle and future goals. This integration unlocks total financial clarity and confidence.